AI has been around for decades. While AI is often thought of as a new technology, the concept has been around since the 1950s. Early AI systems were used to perform tasks such as playing chess and solving mathematical problems. AI is already all around us. AI is already being used in many areas of our daily lives, from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation systems on streaming services like Netflix and YouTube. AI can be used to diagnose diseases. AI can analyze medical images and identify early signs of disease, potentially leading to earlier diagnosis and more effective treatment. AI can be used for natural language processing. Natural language processing is the ability of machines to understand and interpret human language. This technology is already being used in chatbots and voice assistants. AI can be used for facial recognition. Facial recognition technology is being used for a variety of purposes, from unlocking smartphones to identifying criminals. AI can help reduce energy consumption. AI can be used to optimize energy consumption in buildings, leading to reduced energy costs and a smaller carbon footprint. AI can create art. AI algorithms can analyze images and create new artwork based on patterns and styles that it has learned. AI is being used to develop self-driving cars. Self-driving cars rely on AI to navigate and make decisions on the road. AI can help predict natural disasters. AI algorithms can analyze weather patterns and other data to predict natural disasters such as hurricanes and earthquakes. AI is being used in space exploration. AI is being used to analyze data from space missions and make decisions about how to proceed, potentially leading to new discoveries and breakthroughs. These are just a few of the many interesting facts about AI. As the field continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the future, which we will keep you updated on.